How to hide comments from friends on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update Facebook to the latest version. Then open a Facebook on a device. Now tap on the profile at the top left corner. Now simply scroll down and go to one of your posts. Now click on comments. Now keep holding the comment you want to hide. Now simply tap on hide comment. Now wait for some time. Now if you want to unhide the comment, again keep holding the comment and tap on unhide. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.